We're doing it. We are here for the exclusive Pokemon set. What are you here for?
We are here for the Pokemon LEGO set that just came out. And I'm excited for it, but also I am petrified because it's $650. Jeez.
How many hours do you think it's going to take to build?
For us, we're pretty good at building Legos, so I think it's going to be, I don't know, 10 hours? We're going to find out though.
This is called unreal optimism. Unrealistic optimism.
Yes.
I'm guesstimating more of 40 to 50 hours, 30 to 40 hours.
She's not giving us enough credit. I think we're going to be fine. This thing.
That bag is like bigger than you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, you're so drunk.
What is it?
I just spent $650 on a Lego Pokemon set, and I'm either a genius or a freaking idiot. Today, we're gonna do a box reveal. So, this is it, $650 of Lego madness. This is, I believe,
How many pieces?
6,000 pieces, something like that, right? 6,838 pieces. And I told myself and Kathy that we would take 10 hours to build this.
Wow.
We're going to see this. And we're going to tell you the story of how we bought this too.
I'm about to try.
The big box reveal. Fun fact. This is our first Lego set we've ever done before. Alright, so we got the 3 boxes out, and it looks like we have some symbols here. So let me look at the first one right here. This is clearly going to be Venusaur. We have the second box. We got a little raindrop. That's a water Pokemon. This is going to be Blastoise, Charizard.
Good. Oh la la.
You're my best friend. In a world we must defend. Charizard.
Alright, so let's see. Last number 49.
61?
Oh.
Is this thing in the envelope?
This is where you like half of it.
Oh, these are the wings in this envelope.
Absolutely. Yo, it's a book.
Oh my goodness.
It's so big. Charizard. Look how big this thing
It
is.
keeps going.
This thing is so big.
It's literally a manual.
A manual.
Like,
This reminds me of this.
Oh
Oh
my.
wait, there's more.
oh my god. Oh wait, there's
Oh wait,
tons.
there's more.
Yeah.
Alright, so 10 hours, yeah?
You are delusional.
10 hours.
241 pages.
Oh, wow.
Right there. 241 pages. Seriously? No, this is so big.
Alright, so first time doing a big one. I'm sure many are actually familiar with this. I didn't realize there's a Lego tool. Like, how neat. Oh.
It looks like it came with a broken piece. This friggin' $650 Lego set came with a broken piece, but it looks like we can still use it. Why don't you put it where it's supposed to be, Pete?